Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to highlight an entire row when a due date is within the next 7 days in Google Sheets. Great for deadlines, tasks, and follow-ups. Let's jump in. First, select your full table. Click Format. Choose Conditional Formatting. Under Format Cells If, choose Custom Formula Is. Paste this formula, which you will find in the video description. Choose a color. Click Done. Any row with a due date in the next 7 days is now highlighted. Quick breakdown. $B locks the date column. Today returns today's date. +7 means 7 days from now, so the rule checks if the date is between today and 7 days out. The formulas I'm using are in the description. Bonus. Only highlight when a date exists. That's it. You now have automatic upcoming deadline highlighting. Like and subscribe for more fast Google Sheets tips. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. See you in the next one.